Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the stock market and option volatility report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Should not be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. It's also a financial professional if you have questions. So here we are, and we've had our SOTU State of the Union address, and you can see the S&P is off a little bit today. I'm a little surprised. Earnings were pretty good. Disney reported some great earnings. It's not doing a lot on that. Really earnings kind of across the board have been pretty good, but we've had so many nice kind of rally days in a row that maybe a little bit of a breather is due. That being said, even though VIX is up and the S&P is down 10 and the NASDAQ down 40, VIX futures are actually down. Some areas to look at. I'm kind of wondering if whether playing XLV could be kind of a fun thing to do today, play around with XLV. I'm wondering whether, Disney, now that they've had earnings, I want to look at that. I definitely want to look at SPX. I think there's going to be some funness to be had with the S&P 500 today. And I want to just kind of look around everything, looking at the individual ETFs. The softness is coming from energy. Oil is down, biotech a little bit, and everything else is kind of flat to red. So nothing crazy, but nothing really interesting. I would point out, look at VVIX and the big jump it's making. Tells me that traders are finally at a point where they're willing to trade VIX options and potentially buy them. I haven't seen a lot trading today. Biggest trade I've seen was a buyer of the Feb 24 calls paying 9 cents, but that's enough to move the market. And with VVIX moving the way it is, one of the trades we've liked has been the April 2025 put 1x2 because we've been able to do it for even money. Well, if you look now, the 2025 has moved to now being something you have to pay for. So that's a trade that we're keeping a close eye on as well. And if that starts to get hot again, that could be a decent reason to look out. Even so, we're still below 16, and there doesn't seem to be a huge amount of panic. So that's something that I would just kind of keep in mind. I think, callback spreads make a lot of sense to me. I think there's a lot of reasons for VIX and VIX futures to potentially get a bid here. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Again, we have an encore of managing risk using options tomorrow night at 9 Eastern time. Go to optionpit.com/risk2019 to attend, and you can claim your spot. Have a great morning.